Hi, do you want to reduce the size of your belly? Do you want to bring your waist in proper shape? Well guys, then choosing the best exercises for your abdominal muscles will give you the better results. The exercises that I have got for you today in my video, they can help you get the proper shape of your waist and your belly. So myself Bunny, welcome to the healthy journey guys. Without wasting much of your time, let's start with the very first workout that I have on my list. The first one that I have got is reverse crunches. All you have to do, simply just lie down on your mat. Alright, and simply fold your knees like this, and from here you have to do the reverse crunches. Okay, now guys, the next one is bottoms up. Let's do it. Okay, for this, simply put your feet in air like this and fold them. Bring them back. This is it. Okay. Well guys, the next one is bent knee lying twist. For this, again, lie down on your mat. Make sure that you put your hands in the T shape like this, and from here bend your knees and then twist them towards the either side of your body. Bring them back and twist. Alright, now the next one is starfish crunches. Again, in this position you have to lie down like a starfish. So this is it, and from here we will touch the right hand with the opposite leg. So this is known as starfish crunches. Alright, now guys, the next one is air bikes. This is also very easy. Put your hands under your head like this. Lift your feet in air and then touch the right elbow with the left knee. Do it with the opposite side. Okay, well guys, now if you want You can take some rest in between. Well, let's move on to the next workout. I'm totally out of my breath. Trust me guys, if you will practice these workouts, this will bring the result in just 7 days. Within 7 days, you can look into the mirror, or what you can do is, the very first day, you can take the size of your waist with an inch tape, and on the 7th day, again take the size of your inch tape. Then you can get the difference what actually these workouts are doing with your body. Okay, now the next one is jack split crunches. Let's do it, but make sure this one, I put this workout in the last because this is the most difficult one. So do it only if you are really ready to do this one. Let's do it. So for jack split crunch, lie down on your mat, have some gap in between your feet, raise your hands up above your head, and from here we have to do the crunches, but this time it's going to be a bit different. Let's do it. Oh, this is not easy, but let me try to do it. Well guys, I hope so that this is too much for the day. Jack split crunches, they are really too difficult. You just need a lot of exercise, a lot of practice to do this workout. I hope so that this is too much for the day. We'll meet in the next video with some more workouts. Till then, bye bye, take care, love you, and have a ball.